Welcome back to Allan Reveal. Today, damage it on the left side. Need a left side door, left side fender, suspension, and I will find the back. Maybe need a controller arm or something. Definitely, you need a left fender, a left door, left side door. The mileage is 52,000 miles. I need the passenger airbags. I need the left side, right side seat belt for the passenger side. The rest of the interior look very good. Leather interior. GPS. We already changed the steering airbag. We already changed it. I already changed the steering airbag. Use. I already changed it and replace it with the used one. Running. And we start running. No front damage. The light is good. The two headlights in the back. With a front bumper. Two headlights in the back. Run and drive on iaai. This right side is okay, no damage on the right side. This side is okay, the roof is okay. Car is run and driving. Green inside. Quite good. Interior is good. Car nice. Yes. So tell me if I goodbye. I need this piece here. So we are start taking out the port and line up. I don't know this port maybe bend. The post not bend, go straight to me. The rocker panel, not damage, it looks too straight. The rocker panel and the door post, they look to me straight. So let me try to check it out. And the center post is straight. Maybe need a little color. Maybe need a little color. Tell me, leave in a comment if you can go by or not. So please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and remember I'm giving away a free car when I reach 50,000 subscribers. The Genesis 2 October. I want to give away that car when I reach to 50 subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Peace. Welcome back to Allan Reveal, and today we are fixing the Honda CR-V. We are ready to put it in the machine. We are ready to pull it out. It's called the part very good. So let's try to line it up now. Let's put it in the machine. Try not line up the damage in the front here. Pull it. So everything coming out okay. Almost the front end is almost straight. Nothing wrong in the front. See the chassis, the frame still straight. Nothing here. Everything is straight. Nothing touch here. The damage nothing here. That's here right there. So everything coming good. I think the rocker panel is still straight. Everything here is straight. Nothing touch. No accident here. This too got a little dent here. Scrape up. I had to take it out. Still no minus thing here. Nothing no minor hit. This car wasn't hit too bad. Everything coming out nice. The light is good. Nothing wrong with this light. It's a nice car. This light is expensive, so nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong. It's still good. The lighting is expensive. Radiator support, everything line up. Everything good. This car. There was a light hit in the front. Look at a little bend here. See, kind of little bend. I have to straighten up. Yes, right here, kind of bend. Little bend here. See, right here. Everything coming up. Nice. Everything nice here. This side was not damaged on this side. The right side was good. The only damage here is down there. Here, little scrape here, but that not buffing up will come up. Nothing. Oh, this is dust, sand. There's nothing here. Right? You know, good. I have to change this seat belt. Change it, get repair, and the airbag module had to change, repair. Car clean inside, clean, very clean inside. Roof, everything, no airbag roof, nothing blowing. Yeah, that is seat belt, and we already changed the airbag, the dashboard airbag. I already changed it, and we changed the airbag module. Airbag computer, I change it, so need to just change this seat belt. Nice, nothing blown, no airbag in the back here, but everything nice inside here.